I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by powering and connecting the Chromecast. Plug it into an HDMI port and attach the USB power to the adapter, not a flaky TV USB. Once done, switch your Samsung TV to that HDMI input and make sure the Chromecast LED lights. You do this because stable power prevents random reboots and the correct input lets your TV detect the device. Next, keep the dongle visible to the router. Signal strength matters for smooth streaming. Now you'll configure the Chromecast in the Google Home app. Open the app, tap Add, and choose Set Up Device. The app scans and finds the Chromecast on the HDMI input. Follow the pairing code on screen to confirm, then select your home and pick the Wi-Fi network, entering the password. Make sure you choose the correct band that matches your router settings, because mismatched networks block the device from joining. Once connected, the app completes firmware updates automatically. Wait, you're ready to cast. Open YouTube or another cast-enabled app, tap the cast icon, and select your Chromecast. The video should appear on your Samsung. If image or audio is off, make sure the TV's HDMI input settings and aspect ratio match 16:9 sources and adjust volume or audio output. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast and router, confirm the phone is on the same Wi-Fi, and only then perform a factory reset as a last resort to restore defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.